Okay, what do we have today?
Bend it, fold it, turn it. That's what 3M says about their SlimLine twin axial cable assemblies. When you need to fit high-speed data in tight spaces over long routes, this is the cable you need. Folding or bending the cable doesn't compromise signal integrity and has minimal impact on impedance, no more than 1 or 2 ohms per fold. And it's available in 85 ohms for PCIe and has 100 ohms for SAS applications. The cable uses 30 or 31 AWG wire sizes, offering an extremely low profile for routing between server components. Combined with its foldability, the 3M SlimLine twin axial cable assemblies allow for optimal airflow and maximum system density. Cable assemblies are available in x4 or x8 configurations, with and without sidebands, and with SFF 86, 54 straight or right angle connectors.